Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a comforting chicken noodle soup recipe. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that you'll need. Firstly, cut, dice and slice up the carrots, onion, celery and garlic into bite-sized pieces. Using a pair of scissors, cut up the soaked mushroom and the parsley leaves. In a pot of boiling water, add some ginger and pieces of chicken drumstick. Keep boiling it until the chicken is cooked. The ginger helps to reduce the smell of the chicken. Then take out the cooked chicken and tear it into small bite-sized pieces. Heat up a large pot and add in olive oil to stir fry the aromatics, which are the onion, garlic, celery and carrot until golden brown. After that, add in water, frozen chicken bone broth made from my previous video, and soaked shiitake mushroom. Then add salt to taste. Cover the lid and let it come to a boil. Later add in some black pepper. Using another saucepan, fill it up with water and add a generous amount of salt to cook the fusilli pasta. Cook the pasta until it is al dente. Then transfer the cooked pasta to the chicken soup pot. Add in the shredded chicken and bring the soup to a boil. Ladle out the chicken noodle soup into a bowl and serve it to your loved ones. garnish the chicken noodle soup with chopped parsley. Thank you for watching. I hope that you'll try out this recipe and do subscribe for more upcoming recipe videos. Have a nice day.